Today, we are taking a deep dive on how to make money online in 5 legitimate ways. Introduction. Welcome to Keyangle, where we unravel the intricacies of online success. Today, we're embarking on a comprehensive journey, exploring 5 legitimate ways to make money online. In a world driven by digital possibilities, financial freedom is within reach for those who dare to explore. Join us as we delve into the strategies that have empowered countless individuals to build sustainable income streams and redefine their financial landscapes. 1. Freelancing and remote work. The gig economy has transformed the way we work, opening doors for freelancers and remote workers worldwide. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are virtual marketplaces connecting skilled individuals with clients seeking their expertise. From graphic design to digital marketing, learn how to navigate these platforms effectively, optimize your profile, and secure high-paying projects. Uncover the art of crafting compelling proposals and building a portfolio that sets you apart in the competitive world of freelancing. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing stands as a beacon for those seeking passive income online. Explore the intricacies of this revenue model, where you promote products and earn commissions for each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Dive into the process of choosing profitable affiliate programs, crafting persuasive content, and utilizing various marketing channels to maximize your reach. Uncover the secrets of affiliate marketing success, understanding how to build trust with your audience and turn clicks into conversions. 3. Online courses and digital products. Knowledge is a valuable commodity, and sharing it can be a lucrative endeavor. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable empower you to create and sell online courses, transforming your expertise into a scalable business. Delve into the steps of course creation, from ideation and content structure to marketing strategies that attract a global audience. Additionally, explore the world of digital products on platforms like Gumroad, where your creations, from ebooks to templates, can find a market hungry for your unique offerings. 4. E-commerce and dropshipping. The e-commerce landscape continues to evolve, offering opportunities for entrepreneurs to build online stores without the burden of inventory management. Learn about the dropshipping model, where you can sell products without handling physical stock. Find the process of selecting profitable niches, finding reliable suppliers, and implementing effective marketing strategies. Uncover the potential pitfalls of dropshipping and discover how to build a sustainable e-commerce business that thrives in the competitive online marketplace. 5. Stock photography and content creation. For the creatively inclined, monetizing your skills in photography and content creation is an avenue worth exploring. Understand the dynamics of stock photography platforms such as Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, and learn how to create content that resonates with a global audience. Delve into the art of visual storytelling, providing insights into producing captivating content that not only reflects your creative prowess, but also generates consistent passive income. Conclusion. As we conclude this comprehensive exploration of legitimate ways to make money online in 2024, we hope you're inspired to embark on your own digital journey. Each method we've covered holds the potential to reshape your financial future. Subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more in-depth insights on our digital marketing channel, where we unravel the mysteries of online success. Remember, the world of online opportunities is vast, and with the right knowledge, dedication, and strategy, you can carve your path to financial prosperity. Keyangle, express yourself.